How do we get to the next stage of being a high-performing culture? We celebrate success, so that's where Mo comes in.
I have Mo time in my diary on a Wednesday afternoon, and for me it's that little injection that pick me up, and I know that when I go on there I'm going to see positive messages, I'm going to see praise, and it just links me back into why I do what I do.
Mo is always going to be a great addition because it's the sharing of the positivity and keeping everyone connected.
It was a real insight into who is across the business. It was a way of bringing us together, and it made me feel connected even though I was working from home.
I think it's really important to capture the moments at work, and I think sometimes different departments might not see the success from other departments. I think it's good to share that on a personal level as well.
The recognition piece is really important for us, and we've worked a lot over the last few years to really drive that, and that's where Mo has been fantastic at linking the recognition to our values as a business. Giving managers the ownership to reward their employees in the moment has been really well received.
On Mo, you see people's reactions, you can actually see people cheering other people on, and that's a really nice thing to see, that the employees actually are proud of each other.
For me, I've never worked a day in my life. I come to work every day, sometimes I don't want to go home. All the people I work with, I really value, and I think that's what makes it for me, because it's a family, it's not a business. That's why I love it. This is all I've ever wanted.
Just hearing Mo and moments is something that's new to us, and I'm proud of it, you're proud of it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's been really good.